In this video, I'll show you how to download Epic Games on a computer. So first, log in to Epic Games in your browser, and then come here at the top right and just click on download. Okay, and then it will automatically start downloading it for you, the installer. Okay, just wait for it to be done downloading, and then it will go ahead and open it up. All right, now we can come here and just launch this up. So I'll just go ahead and click on that and just wait for the launcher. So here we go. It's preparing to install. We just need to, go ahead and choose our destination folder. I'm okay with this one, so I'll just click on install. Okay, and now it is currently starting the installation process. When you get a pop-up on your PC, just go ahead and click on yes. Okay, and now it's installing. As you can see, it is doing the process, and unzipping all the files, copying new files, things like that. So we just have to wait for now, right? All right, so as you can see right now, the shortcut has been added to my desktop as well. And if I come here as well, we should see Epic Games. And there we go. And it is the current date as well. As you can see, it is being installed right now. There we go. Now it seems to be, going ahead and doing an update. So let it do its thing. Okay, so it has been fully installed. And we'll just go ahead and launch the Epic Games launcher. Okay, so let's go to open that up. And it's really that easy and simple.